Hi, my name is Catriona Starpins, and today we are here to unbox the first Harmonies and Highlights box from Cranberry. So I'm going to switch cameras and let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so here is the color box, and it's got some new branding tape on it, which I think looks fabulous. Well done, Joanne, in designing that. I am going to take my knife and just gently slice it open. On the other side, and then we should be able to crack it open. Okay, so the first thing inside here is, let's just move this aside. It's the new code. You will notice that I am covering it up because it's strictly for people who have bought the box. But inside the box, there's a beautiful selection of beads in various shades and finishes of red, purple, and gold. And this card is a little hint on the pattern that you get that comes with this particular box. And there's a QR link and a link that you can enter and find out more about how to use your beads, different variations on a theme when using them, switching out for different types of beads. And yeah, so it's just a little bit of extra information that you get if you purchase the box. So because that's paid content, I won't be sharing those links with you today, but I just wanted to see how that format comes. So you scan the QR code, takes you to the page where you get all your extra information, including your free pattern. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that one aside. So inside the box, okay, we've got some tissue. And because we ordered this in July, we got our free heart beads that came with International Beading Week. So every order that was placed in July with Cranberry got a free packet of heart beads, and it came with a little challenge to join along. So that's mine. Just going to put this to one side and we shall go through the contents together. Okay. So first thing on top, I've got a mix. This is Harmonies and Highlights box from Cranberry. It's a check bead pack. So this is my little bit like the miscellaneous goodies from previous boxes. Ooh, nice colors. I have a, does it say 7mm round, beautiful amethyst purple. Look how pretty they are. Really nice quality check glass beads. And a lot of these products are still on the website as well. There we go. I've got some rectangles here. Well, they say tubes, but they're sort of rectangular shaped tubes. And they're like an amethyst AB. Look at that gorgeous coating on one side. And that's what it gives it, that brilliant shine inside those beads. Really lovely. I can see myself putting those on a fringe or something would be really nice. These ones are 6mm cube in a matte purple and white swirl. And these matte finishes, they do really remind me of sea glass. Look at that. So pretty. Really soft, muted tones. Just beautiful. Just like what you'd find a pebble on the beach looking like. Gorgeous. Okay, so I've got those, and I've got this, and then next out of the box, I've got some mini flowers, and these are in purple iris. I did just do a bead embroidery project with the Bead Society, and we used mini flowers in that. These would be so lovely for that. Really nice. Okay, oh, I got some juicy red leaves. I love red, in case you can't tell. These are pressed check glass leaves, and look, there's stacks in the packet. Super good value, and they've got a hole drilled in the top there. Can you see that? Gorgeous. I can't wait to actually use some of these in my bead embroidery. Really nice. And you know, they've got the same markings on both sides, so even though they've got that bit of a curve to them, it's like you're getting lefts and rights in those leaves. So very versatile. Nice. Says they're 14 by 9mm, so quite large, but yeah, that'd be great in something I make. Oh, look at these. This is the polychrome black currant, I think. Let's check. What does it say? Am I right? Yes, polychrome black currant fire polish beads. And oh, look at that shine. So these have like a metallic finish, but it's almost got like a dark green and purple tones in there. Just really lovely. And we've got the 6mm version of this in the shop at Cranberry as well. And I'm always eyeing them off when I'm picking them for orders for people. Okay, some more fire polished here. These are a bit smaller. They look like a 3mm. And this color is called Amethyst Metallic Ice. Look at the shine on those. They've got like the finish has got a shiny on one side and clear on the other. So just like with these, how you saw that reflection through those beads, you get the same glistening effect with these. Really pretty. Gorgeous color purple too. Okay, I have some assorted gold metal shapes. And these are hearts. Look at those. How fun are they going to be to play with? Awesome. They look really cool with like a brick stitch around them, or I have done some pieces with right angle weave with these metal shapes, so that would be really cool too. They will definitely come in handy. And I also have some little triangles, and I've used these little triangles and things before, so these will be fun to play with again. Little metal triangles. I think they're brass. I don't see on them, but I'm pretty sure they're little brass shapes. Okay, another fire polish. This is a 2mm fire polish. And these are one of my favorite colors, red. They are pomegranate ice. So they've got that same beautiful, shiny, reflective coating. Can you see them glistening there? I hope you can. Really beautiful. You can switch out a 2mm fire polish, sometimes with an 8mm bead as well in your beadwork. This is a 20, oh, look at that shine. Oh, so pretty. It is a 27mm round Siam stone. Oh, it's glorious. Look at the facets on that. It's picking up all the light from my lights that I have. Ooh, there you can see round light. It's so gorgeous. I cannot wait to bezel that and have a play with that. Really pretty. Okay. What do we got? This is diagonal drilled amethyst cubes. So I had cubes here, 6mm. These are 7mm, slightly bigger, but these ones are diagonal drilled. So you can see, hopefully you can see the way the hole there is drilled. They are just gorgeous. Very pretty color purple. Really nice dark amethyst. And would work in beautifully with any of these other check glass beads we've got. So lovely selection. Ooh, some more check. I've got some glossy red barrel shapes. These are, let's just say, oval red. Well, that's exactly what they are. They're an oval. Look how shiny and glossy they are. Really nice quality. Check. Pressed glass. 12 by 7mm. Good value there. And I've got, this is our quality finding. So we were promised one really good quality finding, and we've got the Suda 2 clasp, and mine is an antique brass plate. You can see it's got the 2 connection points here, so you can do peyote stitch off these, or you can use the pattern that's supplied in the box with these. And look at the magnet. Look how beautiful that's made. So it's got a magnet, and these little stoppers here click into there. So the magnet, when it's being, the pressure of it being pulled against, it's not going to come undone, because you have to actually lift the pressure of the magnet to undo it. Oh, it's so nice. Thanks so much, Joanne. I'm excited to play with this. Really nice quality. Okay, I've got some delicas here. I've got opaque red luster, and I love this color so much. I actually have this in my stash already. Don't mind having more of it because it's so pretty. It's got that real nice opaque color with a beautiful lustery finish on the outside. Really nice. So I'm looking forward to playing with those. Probably add them to my other little stash of that color because I love it. And another favorite is the Duracoat Silver Lined Dyed Lilac. So the Duracoat means it's a lot more durable in your designs as opposed to some of the other silver lined ones. They have a tendency to lose their color. These should be much more durable with that Duracoat coating. You see how they're sort of glowing? Really nice. Beautiful color. And you can see those beads here are what Joanne has used. I'm just going to fold this card. What Joanne's used on here is the red opaque, the Duracoat lilac in here. And then I think maybe a size 11 in that middle component that she's made. And that will be this one here, which is the 11 1004. So Silverline Gold AB, Mayuki. If you do not have this in your stash, you should have. I really feel it's like a perfect neutral staple for everybody's stash. Such a glorious rich gold with that real nice AB rainbow finish on it as well. So gorgeous, gorgeous color. Will it go back in the tube? Yes, it will. So there's that one. Then we have another of my all-time favorites. Can you tell that I helped pick the colors for this? Transparent Matte Red AB. So it's 140FR. It's a Mayuki. And I just love using this color for shading in my beadwork. I use it a lot in the 11s and in the 15s. And look at the rainbow finish on that. And they really almost glow. Like, oh, it makes me so happy to look at this color. It's just beautiful. They want me to play with them. They don't want to go back in the tube. Oh. Okay. Then we have the third size 11, and it's 11313 Gold Luster Cranberry. And you can see this is still a reddish color with hints of purples in that as well, which is how it comes into the purple violet or red violet color tones. And look at those beads together. Like, they just make such a lovely color scheme to have a play with. It's really nice. Let's take a look at what the color is like out of the tube. So these are translucent-ish, very dark, so you can't completely see through them, and they have that beautiful shine on them. Really lovely color. They are not going to go back in because there is so many in that tube. How good's that? Just pop them over there for now. Okay, so we've got a size 8, and the color is Silver Lined Dark Smoky Amethyst AB. And we did have a different color picked out to go in this color box, and it turned out pretty hard to source. And I'm so glad we put this in instead because it's such a pretty color. Look at that. Look at how pretty they are. Glistening purple tones. So this is a new color to Cranberry, and I just really love it. So pretty. So yeah, it's the Silverline Dark Smoky Amethyst AB. Beautiful variation of color in the one tube. Really nice. Just put them here. Okay, I've got a size 6. So this is Duracoat Silverline Dark Lilac. And look at that. Same, different size. So you'll be able to use those in conjunction in your patterns. And this is the Delica 11, and this is the size 6 seed bead. So let's have a look. Oh, look at those. So pretty. Look at that color. Really nice. I'm looking forward to playing with these in my embroidery. Very pretty. They sort of almost glow with a pinky red tone. Gorgeous. Okay, next one, I have a shaped seed bead. So this is the Magatama. They're made by Toho. It's gold lusted raspberry, and the color on our website is MA3-332. The Magatamas make beautiful texture in your beadwork. If you've never tried using them, try switching out one of your seed beads when you're making something, especially like a rope or, you know, in your embroidery, to add that little bit of extra texture. They are such a rich, beautiful color. Really nice shine. There's hints of blues and purples and even gold and red shining off in that. Hopefully you can see little coppery tones even. Really pretty. And I've got 2 more things in my box. I've got a size 15 seed bead, and it is one of our more popular gold colors. It's Duracoat Champagne. So it's a really soft, subtle gold. And we just thought it really married into this color palette beautifully. You see those. Really lovely gold. Duracoat Champagne. Putting those colors together will be so pretty. Hopefully you can see just how gorgeous they are. Again, being the Duracoat, they are a more durable gold. I try to steer clear of some of the galvanized colors because they do have a tendency to rub off. The ones that are Duracoat obviously are more durable. And lucky last in my box, I think that's all of my treasure, is the half Tila. Some people call them Tyler, some people call them Tila. They are a half Tila. They're made by Mayuki. This color is gold violet green, and the code is 462. This stands for half Tila. And these are a little flat rectangular bead, and they've got 2 holes in them. So you can use them for bezeling around things. They look really beautiful in wrap bracelets. Look at the tones of gold in that. They are just so pretty, like a rainbow looking at them. And you can see the 2 holes there on the side. Now the half Tilas are, as they say, exactly half the size of a regular Tila bead. And they also come in a quarter Tila as well. So you can fit 2 of these to 1 Tila bead. If you've got a pattern, you might be able to switch it out and put 2 in. You could put 2 different colors, or yeah, lots of different things you can do. I've seen people bezel with them. Yeah, really nice. I've seen people do flat herringbone. They look really nice in flat herringbone. They sort of interlock together. Alrighty, so that is all of my treasures that I received in my Harmonies and Highlights color box from Cranberry, and I'm super excited to get beading with these. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing of the Cranberry Harmonies and Highlights color box. I certainly enjoyed going through all the treasures inside and hoped you did too. If you enjoyed this video, I do have some other unboxing videos on my channel, and I'm also introducing new tutorials along the way as well. So please like and subscribe, and I look forward to beading with you soon. Thanks. Bye.